Suzuki won't even give you a bike with an electric start, and Triumph is making bikes that will literally start themselves. And, well, that's a problem to them. There is a global recall for the track-only Triumph TF250X because apparently the right-hand switch cube can become cracked under certain circumstances, allowing water and dirt ingress, which could cause the switch to malfunction, starting the engine without warning. Literally, the bike will just turn on. It's not a good thing. You know, if you're just sitting on it, or if it's in your garage or in your trailer or something, and the bike just turns on and, well, either just runs itself out, burns out, or if somehow in gear, boom, here you go. And the cool thing is, let's say this, you gotta say, or you gotta give it to Triumph at least. Not only are they going to take the bikes in, if you own one of these, call your local Triumph dealer, whoever you bought it from, they will replace the switch cube for no price to you. Also, this is the cool part for them. You know, good job for Triumph to do this. One, for replacing it for free. I'm assuming they have to out of a liability thing. But recalled bikes will also receive a new clutch center with increased oil flow to the clutch plates and a new set of clutch plates. They will also get a new engine ECU tune, which Triumph claims will improve low speed performance, particularly when cold. The bikes will also get few further tweaks to the fueling for stronger power delivery throughout the rev range, and the final upgrade is a new fuel tank mounting washer, which is said to prevent incorrect reassembly when removing and refitting the fuel tank. I mean, so not only are they saying, hey, call your dealer, bring it back, we'll replace the thing that's broken, we're also going to give you extra stuff, which is really cool. I mean, it's a good PR thing. Hey, sorry for selling you a bike that has, a part that could technically break, and uh, you know, who knows? It probably wouldn't hurt anybody ever, but it's a probably a PR thing and a liability that if it does start by accident or without knowing, it could technically hurt you. Now, the statement from FEMA, the Federation of European Motorcyclists Associations, says, quote, the switch cube, which includes buttons for use by the operator to start and stop the engine, is not stable in specific conditions. Exposure to brake fluid and when exposed to high water pressure, and potentially could self-start. The unexpected start of the motorcycle can lead to accidents. Like I said, if it's in gear by chance and it kicks on, it could, I don't know, if it's on the ground, jump or something, hit somebody, whatever. So for them to, this is, as far as I know, a global bikes affected are produced between July 20th, 2023 and August 8th, 2024. So a pretty good amount of bikes, and I'm assuming this is a global thing. But if you have a Triumph TF250X, the race only or track only version, call your dealer, get some cool stuff added to it. And I guess you say cool for Triumph for one, fixing them, because I'm assuming how many of these have really been a problem, who knows, and two, for giving some upgrades while doing it. But comment down below, tell me what you think. Have you bought one of these? Are you going to buy one of these? What do you think of the added stuff they're going to give you for bringing it in? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.